I grew up on a 40-head cow-calf operation with some hay production as well. Throughout college and shortly after graduation, I was also exposed to seed and chemical sales, as well as crop scouting and variety trials with various row crops. I would say a large portion of our team comes from either rural backgrounds or agriculture backgrounds, but not everybody. But I think FCS uses that to our advantage, and we can provide a multifaceted experience for our customers. A lot of the customer face-to-face is with a loan officer. In a credit role, I do have the opportunity to do on-farm visits, which I do take advantage of, and I think that just helps me better understand their operation, being there, meeting them, and really puts context into what I'm looking at. Whether it's cattle or crop, knowing how it works, how it operates, when do you wean and sell calves, or when do you harvest and market your crop, I think knowing that structure is a big part of what FCS does and can help our customers properly structure their credit facilities and operations to help them succeed. If the farmer likes to market their grain throughout the year, if they've got a loan that they want to make an annual payment on, we're going to time that loan and that payment to when they market their grain so that the cash flow works appropriately for their operation. If they got a monthly payment due 12 months out of the year and that cash flow is not there, it's going to put a strain on their operation. So being able to time those payments appropriately, I think, is beneficial for the customer. I think a customer should choose FCS because just how knowledgeable and passionate we are for rural Missouri. I think somebody can walk in the door and, explain just a little about their operation. We've got that knowledge of how the industry looks and, what agriculture looks like to be able to have that conversation and understand where they're coming from.